Hanuman Jayanti worshippers brandishing firearms, pistols met with fights.
The battle flared up in the locality on Saturday evening in CD Block Market in Delhi's Jahangirpuri when worshippers during the Hanuman Shobha Yatra were carrying shotguns and pistols with provocative yells. A resident named Mastan claimed that participants of the procession shouted slogans such as Bharat mein rehna hoga, to Jai Shri Ram, kehna hoga. If you want to live in India, you have to chant Deity Ram's name. Many children, disturbingly, were part of holding shotguns during their Hanuman Shobha Yatra. A netizen shared look at the number of kids and teenagers participating in the procession. No words to express the anguish. For God's sake, don't ruin their future. They are the future of the nation. #Jahangirpuri #Delirious 2022. Mastan alleged that some people carrying saffron flags tried to enter a mosque. He also alleged that the violence escalated because there is not much police presence in the area. The FIR of the Delhi police said that 4 or 5 people started arguing with the participants of the procession after it stopped near a mosque, according to Bar and Bench. This led to both sides throwing stones, causing a stampede. Many people got injured. Earlier, during the Ram Navami clashes on April 2, 2 tragically have lost their lives. 20 people were arrested after the violence broke out during the Hanuman Shobha Yatra procession after violence erupted in Delhi's Jahangirpuri on Saturday after members of Hindu and Muslim communities clashed during a Hanuman Jayanti procession, reported ANI. 2 juveniles were also charged in connection with the case. One of the arrested persons had allegedly opened fire. All the arrested persons are Muslim. When India Today asked Special Commissioner of Police Deepak Pathak why the arrested persons were from one community, he said that more action will be taken later.
देखिए, कल जो अप्रिय घटना हुई थी उसके रेफरेंस में हम लोगों ने केस दर्ज किया था। उसके बाद सारी रात जो इंटायर दिल्ली पुलिस की जो टीम है और नॉर्थ वेस्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट की टीम है, इसने काम किया और हमने जो एसेलेंट्स हैं, जो एग्रेसर्स हैं, जो दंगाई हैं, उनका हमने आइडेंटिफिकेशन किया और अब तक हमने 14 दंगाइयों को गिरफ्तार किया है। उसमें जो मेन सरगना है वो भी इन्वॉल्व है और दूसरा जिसने गोली चलाई थी उसको भी हमने गिरफ्तार किया है और जो वेपन ऑफ ऑफेंस है उसको भी हमने रिकवर किया।
A netizen shared a video from India Today. People from Hindu community during Hanuman Shobha Yatra on the day of Hanuman Jayanti brandishing firearms, carried pistol and shotguns in Shobha Yatra in #Delhi's #Jahangirpuri. Is there an attempt for #Delirious 2022? Deputy Commissioner of Police, Northeast, Usha Ranganani confirmed the arrests and added that 9 people, 8 police officers and a civilian were injured. Deputy Commissioner of Police, Northeast, Usha Ranganani confirmed the arrests and added that 9 people, 8 police officers and a civilian were injured. One sub-inspector sustained bullet injury, Ranganani said. His condition is stable. 3 firearms and 5 swords were recovered from the accused persons, she added. The Delhi police have lodged a first information report on charges of rioting, attempt to murder, and arms act, reported NDTV. 10 teams from the crime branch and special cell have been formed to investigate the incident. The FIR said that the police intervened and separated both groups, but minutes later they again started throwing stones and shouting slogans. The police officer at the site then asked for more security to be deployed, who then used around 40-50 tear gas grenades to control the situation.
जो हम लोग जितने हमारे जो सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस हैं, वीडियो का जो फुटेजेस है या जो ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस का जो बेसिस है, इन तमाम एंगल से हम काम कर रहे हैं और जो कोई भी इस अप्रिय घटना में, इस अनफॉर्चुनेट दंगे के इंसिडेंट में लिप्त पाया जाएगा और पाया जा रहा है, उन सब के ऊपर कड़ी प्रोफेशनल कानूनी कार्रवाई